Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to use the Gua Sha tool for the double chin and the jawline area. We're going to be doing some great massage exercises using the tool, and then we're going to finish off with the all-important lymphatic drainage massage release. So first things first, as always, I like to start off with clean, clear skin. And I am going to use, again, a little bit of facial oil. If you have a face cream, that's too, but I do tend to find by applying a facial oil onto the skin, it really helps with a really great slip and glide with the Gua Sha tool. Also, you could almost say like a double bubble, whatever you do apply to your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper as well. So you could, for instance, apply a really great face cream, let it set in, then apply the some facial oil again, because that will really again help penetrate into the skin. So I'm just applying first of all just onto the fingers here, and then just all along the jawline and above the jawline and under the chin area, and then just down by the side of the neck down to the collarbone. So the Gua Sha tool I've got today is a jade Gua Sha tool. They do come in various different materials. Here, for instance, is a rose quartz. And I quite like to use personally something which is nice and natural. And you also want to make sure before you start, really important, that your tool is nice and clean and been washed previously. So what we're going to do first of all, we're going to start with the long bits here, almost like a bow. And we're going to come from the ear all the way down this big SEM muscle down to the collarbone. So just first of all, just literally cupping it under the ears and just very gently glide down first, down all the way to the collarbone. Just getting everything going. And then on the other side. I'll just do this 3 times. And then where the collarbone is, I'm taking the tool, and I like to use it fairly flat because you have more surface area. Some people do have it sort of more of like a sort of scratching effect, but I like to use it mindfully and flat. And we just want to lift up from the collarbone all the way along the neck, along the jawline towards the ears. So starting all the way, just moving up to the neck, along the jawline towards the ears, and just very gently glide along, and we're slowly moving further along the side of the neck, if you like, so coming along a bit further from the collarbone towards the jawline and then the ears. I always want to swallow when I'm doing anything around this area because all the lymph, you tend to lose lots of toxins and waste. And then again, I'm just gliding under the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And let's just work on the other side now. Again, if you like, you can use your hand as an anchor. And I'm taking the tool from the collarbone, very gently and lightly, gliding along the neck towards the chin area and along the jawline towards the ears. If you like, you can also take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with blood flow and circulation to the area. So again, we're now working further along the collarbone towards the ear area. And one last time. And then again, taking our tool from the ear, very lightly gliding down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So let's start on this area here where that potential double chin could be. So I'm going to use the tool here, which is almost like the top of a love heart, placing it under the chin on one side, hand as an anchor, and just very gently gliding along towards the ears. Now, we can have a lot of toxins and waste build up obviously within this area, so this is actually moving everything along. Again, just going really fairly flat towards the ears here, and under the jawline. And then on the other side, flat again, just very gently gliding along. And one last time. And then let's work a little bit above the jawline as well. So again, sort of halfway now, we're just taking the parts here. So we're coming from the chin, so sort of bone part of the jawline, if you like. Nice and light. Feather light touch. The lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so you don't need to be too heavy-handed. So again, along here, just very gently gliding along. All along the jawline. This will also help for a more defined jawline because we're moving toxins and waste, but also if there's any little fine lines and wrinkles, we'll actually be smoothing those out using the Gua Sha tool here. So now we're going to again use the larger part and just really very gently move across from the chin all along the jawline, nice and flat, slow and mindful. And then on the other side. And then again with the tool under the ears, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And then again on the other side. So now again we're using the parts, let's turn it the other way, just here. And again I'm just lifting up now, all the way up to the neck area and the potential double chin, and gliding all along towards the ear, and then coming down in a final swoop. So again, coming along, all along, jawline towards the ears, and we'll do this 3 times on each side, up to that potential double chin. Again, you may want to swallow, and then on the other side, coming up, gently glide, and then just finally swoop it down that big SCM muscle back to the collarbone. So again, coming up, gliding along, nice and flat, slow and mindful. And then again, just lifting up, gliding along all those lymph nodes, and then down. So now with the part again, which is on the love heart part, if you like, I'm just going to just very gently glide down the front of the ear, again where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then on the back of the ear, again plenty of lymph nodes here, so moving all the toxins and waste from the double chin along the jawline towards the ears. And then we're going to just very gently glide down again that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side again, just gently gliding front of the ear and back of the ear. And then with the longer part, just if you like, you can just come all the way down, side of the neck, down to the collarbone. And then obviously once we've finished with our Gua Sha tool, really good idea to wash it in some very light soapy water with a final rinse with cool water. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above we have some indentations, just around here. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the jawline and also this chin area into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment down below, tell me where you're from, and if there's any other facial massage exercises, face yoga or lymphatic drainage or fascia work you'd like me to share with you, please comment. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for for more content, which I upload literally daily. And have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.